Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing on this tool set from Tekton. This is a 3/8 inch drive long hex bit. Model number, let's see, model number, it's not focusing, here you go. Model number is SHB91303. And it's the 3/8 inch drive long hex bit socket set. It is 18 piece, 1/8 through 3/8 inch, and then in millimeters or metric will be from 3 to 10 millimeter. These are useful in applications where you have bolts that are hex bolts, and you would want to use these to unscrew the bolt. All right, so this one was $49 from Amazon, and let's go ahead and open it. I think they have another set that is the Torx bits, so that might be my next thing to get. This one is the hex bit. All right, so nice plastic case, very nice, and on the tab it says lift. So we can lift like this, and it tells you on the case 3/8 drive, 1/8 to 3/8 inch long in the SAE, and then 3 to 10 millimeter long in the metric size. There they are. Let me get the camera closer. All right, so here is the case opened. Very nice. All right, let's take this one. This is a 1/4 inch, so you see there is the 3/8 inch socket thingy, and then you have the 1/4 inch hex bit here. And it's long too. Excuse me, I think it's 6 inches long. Let's see, it's my tape measure. Yeah, 6 inches long up to here, so it gives you 6 inches total. Yeah, so I noticed this in the listings picture also. You notice all the top or the head of the hex bit is all smooth except this one. This one seems to me, for some reason it's different. I'm not sure why. Maybe you will know the reason, but it's different than all the other 17 pieces. And I wonder if they tapped it wrong. So this end was supposed to be inside and this end was supposed to be here. I just wonder, I don't know why this one only is like that. That is just something caught my eye. So these supposed to be permanently attached here, so I'm not sure why. You see what I mean? Why this one is a slightly different design than these. I have no idea. Maybe if you know, you can tell us. All right, so there is the engraved marking on the socket itself, and it says Tekton on it. It has the model number of each socket. I believe they can sell them separately, or if you damage one, since they have lifetime warranty, you will contact Tekton and they'll send you a replacement. They'll just ask you for that model number. Yeah, pretty nice set. I think I will use it in the future, since I'm getting into working on cars and stuff. I want to work on my vehicles and learn stuff about that. This is 3/8, so this is the bigger one. All right, let's see. This is 10 millimeter. Says 10 millimeter, slightly bigger than the 3/8. Yep. So you have SAE 8 of them, and you have metric 10 of them. So that gives you 18 pieces. All right, so that was just a quick unboxing video for this. But wait, before you go anywhere, let me show you one additional item that I got from Tekton, also Amazon. This is a cute little set of screwdrivers, like a mini screwdriver set from Tekton also. These were $8, and they stayed $8 for a very long time. Kept them in my cart, so I just bought them at $8. Model number is this 26391, and I think they are just super cute, so I bought them. They come with this little, let me open this thing. Hold on, let me open it off camera. Don't want to cut my hand. Look at these. Aren't these just the cutest thing? It's a beautiful set of screwdrivers. Hold on, let me close this. Oh. Okay, let me just take it out of the way. I want you to see this clearly. Well, let me lower the camera. How about that? Yep, the cutest screwdriver set. Now, cost-wise, if you look at it, it's a piece of plastic sitting on this bit, and for some reason, all 4 of them, these edges here are scratched. It's like somebody used pliers and turned them hard. Unless it's by design, they did it that way, so you will have a better grip, but I don't see the point because it has these edges. So you hold them like this, you know. Anyhow, yeah, they are all like this. So you get the Phillips 1 and 2, or yeah, 1 and 2, and then you get a 1/4 inch and 3/16 flathead, and they have this little tray they come with. So cost-wise, I suspect for $4, $5 will be fantastically priced. $8, it's a bit stretch, but I see the point. They are very cute, so that's why I got them. Yeah, I just thought I'll add this to this video for the sockets because they are just so cute. Well, thanks so much for watching this video with me. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so previously. So I can see you all in the next video. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.